Hello, fourth graders. This video is going over the informative graphic organizer, if that's the kind of writing that you're choosing to do for this writing project. After you read the prompt for the informative piece on Canvas and read the article. So the article is about wildlife and how there have been more sightings of wildlife in common areas that humans would normally be at since the COVID-19 and stay-at-home order has been in place. So it's a really good article that has a lot of good information in it. And if you plan to do an informative piece of writing, your paper or your writing is going to be full of information for your reader to read. So what that looks like, and this graphic organizer should look kind of familiar. I changed it slightly, but we've used it both in our poetry unit and our animal defenses unit. But you're going to start with an introduction. So I gave you the main idea what your informative writing is going to be about. People are staying indoors during the lockdown and animals are starting to explore more. So that's the overall idea behind this particular piece of writing if you choose to do informative. And then you're going to give some reasons why that's happening. So these are all different parts in the article that you'll see. So first, in this section, you'll see why animals are exploring. Second, what should people do when they see the animals? And third, they go more in detail about sea turtles. So what are some positive impacts on sea turtles? And then each of those paragraphs is going to go into more detail about that topic. So paragraph 1 is going to be just specifically on why animals are exploring. Paragraph 2 is going to be about what people should do when animals are exploring. And then paragraph 3, we'll talk about the sea turtles, so positive impacts on sea turtles. And then your conclusion sentence, I gave you a little starter, so you could just kind of restate your introduction after that. Lasting changes are up to us to maintain. So after you read this article, like I said, it's going to give a lot of information about how animals have been more out and about since the whole shutdown has happened. And this piece is going to give your reader a lot more detailed information about what is happening out there. So if this is something you want to do, this graphic organizer gives a really detailed step-by-step what you should include in each section. And this is a lot, it has to do obviously with the article that you're going to be reading. So a lot, if not all of your information is going to be from that article. If you get stuck anywhere, please reach out. How you're going to be doing this is you're going to actually copy this graphic organizer and you're going to paste it onto a Google document. That way you could share it with your teacher and we could give you more detailed feedback. If you're not sure how to do that, there are steps on Canvas. So please go to Canvas and read those steps. But this graphic organizer, like I said, I can't stress it enough, has what we're looking for in an informative piece of writing. So I really urge you to use it. But also please reach out if something doesn't make sense. You're going to get better with your writing through the feedback that your teacher gives you. So don't hesitate to let us know you're stuck on something or you need help gathering more information. That's what we're here for. So if this is something that you want to work on and do, this is the informative graphic organizer.